Hello friends, today we are going to tell you about a very amazing website called Animon. With the help of this site, you can create unlimited videos and images. Let's see how it works. First, go to the website and open the Images section. Here you can type your command or prompt and generate an image. If you already have an image, you can upload it and edit it, such as changing the dress in the image, changing the pose, or changing the background, etc. Now let's talk about the AI section. Here you can create image to animation. For this, first you have to upload your image. Then, in the box given below, you have to type the command you want and then click on Generate. In just a short time, your animated image will be ready. If you want to increase the time duration of the video, use the Extend feature. Just upload the existing video and the system will automatically extend it. The next feature is Character Swap. In this, you can replace the face or image of one person in a video with someone else. First, upload the video. Then, in the second slide, upload the image of the person whose face you want to put. And in just a few moments, the new video will be ready. Similarly, there is another amazing feature called Roleplay, which allows you to create interactive content with different characters in the video. So friends, if you are interested in AI image and video generation, then Animon AI can prove to be an excellent platform for you. First, we will start with Image to Anim, which you can also call Image to Video. In this, you upload an image from your computer, and in the command prompt below, you write what you want that image to do. Then the model follows that same image and creates a video according to your command. You get some free credits for this, with which you can generate the same videos quickly and at speed. The video that is generated initially has a default duration of about 5 seconds, which you can increase up to 9 seconds with the help of the Extend feature. You can adjust the duration and frames using the plus and minus buttons. For example, you can set it to 8 seconds and give the model a new command like stand up and go behind the chair. Whatever command you enter, the model present in the image will appear in the video moving according to that command. In the Character Swap feature, you first go to the Lab section, then you upload one image and one video. This tool replaces the face from the image into the video, meaning the face from the image now appears in the video. After a short processing time, the video is created, which you can easily watch in full screen or zoom. In the Roleplay feature, an image is placed on top and a video below. Whatever movement or action the model is doing in the video, that same action is copied onto the model in the image above. This makes it look like the model in the image is also running or acting in the same way. After the generation is complete, you can easily download this video. In the text-to-image feature, you only need to type your image prompt. Leave the rest of the settings as default. And keep the style set to no style, then press the Generate button. You can change the image size according to mobile view or desktop view if you like. In just a few seconds, a realistic image is ready, which you can also download. If you want the same style again, you can copy that image prompt and use it later as well. In image editing, you can upload any image and make changes to it. For example, type the command "change the dress to a modern red color t-shirt" and leave the other settings as default. Then press Generate. The clothes in that same image will change and a red t-shirt will be visible. The new image that is created is automatically saved in your Assets section, where all your created videos and images remain safe. You can select this same image again from Assets, upload it again, and give a new command, such as remove the hand near the head, and in a short time a new image will be generated in which that hand will be removed. Then, by looking at the before and after, you will clearly understand the difference.